this is Deepa Shrestha and you're watching me on my channel with another video, and this video is gonna be the topic regarding how much money does nail technician make. I have been into this field for more than 3 years, so I am going to share tips and also let you know how much money I make. Guys, please ignore the background noise because I live in a highway area. My studio is in highway area and it produces a lot of noises. Before we get into the earnings, let's just know what nail technicians does. Our role is to give manicure, pedicure and other cosmetic related stuff to nails. Right now I have nothing because my nails are being weak, and that's why. It's a creative and rewarding career that allows individual to express their talent. As a nail technician, honoring your skills through consistent practice is most essential. Now it's essential to understand the income of the nail technicians may vary from several factors such as location, salon type and experience. A nail technician working in a metropolitan area may earn more than the one in rural due to the difference in demand and cost of living. The average monthly salary of nail technician in Nepal is between 13,000 to 15,000. However, this figure can be fluctuate based on the factor that we discussed earlier. While starting salaries may be modest, experienced nail technicians can earn more with loyal client and advanced skills. While starting nail technician journey, I started my journey from my home, and later on I earned the money and then I built a salon. I have my own salon. Now I am going to share you some of my tips. So first thing is you need to be passionate. If you are truly passionate, you are off to great start. Second tips is networking. You guys, you need to have a good communication skills. If you have a good communication skills, you can attract another client from the client you are communicating with. Third tips is be confident. While you do a design or while you talk with the client, be and show the confidence that you have. The confidence is the key. Number 4 is my favorite one. It's patience. You need to have patience. You need to have patience while communicating with clients. You need to have patience with senior nail technicians, and also patience is the game changer. Last but not the least, tip number 5 is hygiene and sanitation. There is no compromise in hygiene in the nail industry. So there you have it. We have come to an end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.